Welcome to our Klinik Dr Inder, where the journey to confident hair restoration begins. At Klinik Dr Inder, under the guidance of renowned expert Datuk Dr Inder, the focus is solely on the art and science of hair transplants. Witness the power of transformation as individuals regain not only their hair but also their self-assuredness, all thanks to the expertise of Klinik Dr Inder. What truly sets this clinic apart is its personalized approach. A dedicated team supports you throughout your journey, ensuring you feel valued and informed every step of the way. By combining years of experience with cutting-edge technology, Klinik Dr Inder offers a range of advanced treatments tailored to your unique needs. If you're considering a hair transplant and seeking a clinic that prioritizes expertise and individualized care, Klinik Dr Inder is your destination. Thank you for joining this insightful journey through Klinik Dr Inder. To stay connected and informed, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time.